South Africa, Ningizimu Afrika kuphi nakuphi lakufinyelela khona lo mbukiso ubhanyabhanya. Nina besilo siyakhuleka-ke ngalesikhathi kunina bembenambena, nina bebhejane ephuma esiqiwini, nina bakabhusha olukhali, nina bendlondlela amandla, nina bakaphunga nomageba, nakunina nina bakantu ezweni zonke ezingaphansi kukantu, ezweni zonke ezizala laphana ngesishini sikantu. Sithi siyakhuleka nangalesikhathi kuseyiwo-ke lo mbukiso ubhanyabhanya wayo-ke esikhungweni The Varsity Podcast. Masithi-ke thina sila esikhona njengamanje esikhungweni The Varsity Podcast siphathele kwenye episode mengicabanga ukuthi futhi uzoyithokozela ngokuhamba kwesikhathi, uzukuningi ozokufunda futhi kuyona, uzobamba la uzobamba khona-ke. Mina igama lami nguSiphamandla uBhama Butho Wamgilisha, umfana kaMhleko, umfana kaMkhulu uSimoto, phansi-ke Matuba Inkundusi-ke isigodi ila engizala khona-ke. Namhlanje sikuphathele-ke isiqephu sethu esithi-ke asibe special. Ngiyazi kade wasigcina, kade wagcina ukusibona-ke, angazi angeke ngiphawule kakhulu but usiyoyo ngemuva uFankomo yena owaziyo ukuthi yini bisibambile sonke lesikhathi, but sikhona-ke njengamanje uphinga ukuthi usawathokozela ama-episode ethu asethe sakunikeza wona esikhathini esidlule. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi-ke ngaphambi kokuba nje uqhubeke nololu hlelo, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe phela futhi usilandele-ke kuyona-ke YouTube channel yethu. Masithi-ke sisesikhungweni The Varsity-ke Podcast. Namhlanje-ke ngihamba ngedwa, alikho elinye ibandla but ukhona umfethu ngemuva kwekhamera. Sithi asishintshe unyawo, sihlale silanda abantu esithi bathi basebenzela abafundi, sihlale silanda abantu abathi bangaphakathi ecampus benza into ehlukile, but namhlanje sike silanda amakhanda, silanda abanikazi bodaba namhlanje okuyibona esingabo-ke la esikhona esikhungweni. Siphethe, angazi ngizomqala ngapha, angazi noma ngizothi udirector noma ngizothi lecture noma ngizothi, kodwa siphethe ikhombo ezo-communicator-ke bukhomba namhlanje. Kuwena-ke imbukiso lo wethu okaMoyikwa simlande phansi le kwaXhosa emajukujukwini, sahamba saze safika le koCofa Imvaba, safika koManfred, safika koQumbu, koBhizana, yonke leyo ndawo sase sithi hayi thina sizolanda nakho okungqokwethu sikulandile. KaMoyikwa asikubingelele.
Hello.
How are you, Ntombi?
Yeah, that was a lot.
I know siphilile, akhonto. Siyavuya ukuba nawe.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Siyabonga, sicela ubingelele umuntu osibukele njengamanje. Mhlawumbe abafundi abakufundisayo, mhlawumbe sebeyabakufundisa, mhlawumbe sebebafundisa.
Molweni ngibingelele.
Yeah, uyazazisa ngo.
Oh, okay. I think every time these uzazisa, I think that is an opportunity to see banditsala ngaphi. I think today kama ngunomcebisi wakaMoyikwa usuka ngokuzalwa nisuka eGhini. They call it Grahamstown or eMakhanda. They shifted to Makhanda. I was born there, and then I was schooled there from primary to high school. Then after that I went to the varsity that is there, which is Rhodes University.
Yeah.
I started from my undergrad to my masters, and then umsebenzi ke wandithatha wandibeka apha KZN. And ndizalwa yintombi yakwaMoyikwa, intombi ekhaya, enesigama lesingisi Lillian. And then utata wam uZoludumile wakwaTom. But mna ke ndikhulele endlini katamkhulu wam, which is my mother's father. Khulele umakhulu notamkhulu wam and the children, which is my mom and his sisters, and then a lot of other children that are born by my mother's sisters and whatnot. Kuthiwa Ingcakeni.
Ingcakeni intoni mhlambe?
Estrato. Estrato kuthiwa Ingcaka. But the place is called the Fingo Village, and then I later known ukuthi La Fingo is because the white people could not pronounce Mfengu Village.
Oh yeah.
They ended up being Fingo Village. But the street's name ebhalwe kuthiwa Victoria Road. Yes.
Kunento yazi nginakuyibuza ngabantu baXhosa, kungani abantu baningi baXhosa banama-surnames mhlambe Afrikaans noma English, because kuneyibongo nje ukuthi uyalalela khona oGrootboom, khona ezinye yini yenza lokho?
I think what I hear, because even in the language, besithi ngoku besithini na? Oh, bendithi ku-Uber driver ndithi bhuti ngicela undivulele ifestire. And he goes, I have to point at it. And then because my daughter uyayifunda Afrikaans, she, what is festire nge-Afrikaans? Athi it's festere or something like that. Oh, okay, I see the influence. I think there are a lot of words, vaslap. I know there's vaslap is used. that are infused with the Africans, and I suppose it's linked to the Boer War that happened.
Indaba ye-colonialism nani nani. So indlela ochaza ngayo uchaza ukukhula kwakho kukushape kanjani into ofisa ukuba yiyona kusasa, ukukhulela kwi-environment ukhulela kuyona ngezwe uyabalula ukuthi ukhulele ngapha kotatomkhulu ozala uma. So kungenzeka mhlawumbe ukuthi kukhona irole okuyidlalile ekuthenini ube lo muntu oyena namhlanje uma uyikhona kuyidlale kanjani
utamkhulu wami?
Yes, ukukhulela nje kule ya
ukhulela in the environment.
Yes,
I think it depends on the jonga kanjani environment, but I think to grow up with with the knowledge that your mother is here, but you don't call your mother mom, you call your grandmother mother and your grandfather father. I think already how do you say this? The structure of mama looks like this, dada looks like this, already was destabilized for me. But obviously I had to negotiate because sometimes they are mama mama in front and then okay, there are holes that I'm crossing. So I think within that I grew up in that environment. I grew up with a child who's observant because obviously there are many people, and like I said, if I thought about it, usually you think I'm because I'm in drama, but I'm an observant person and in the Bamba Ikona position. I think that's where also when I started viewing people from that angle. So I think because there are a lot of people who've done this or I had my lot of things and just be an observant person. And if I have to trace back and because I was thinking through is bias, is Bellet or the show I was in.
Yes.
I was thinking, who do I get this character from? Because I think before that I thought of my theatre training only from when I entered Rhodes University, because then I can now you have studied theatre. But now from then on, I know these characters through engine, and so that watching that, because there were many people and going, okay, let me take a corner stage, it allowed me to be an observer. Yes, sometimes but that is the game.
Nginokubona ey'khathini ey'ningi if mhlawumbe kuzoba sizoba nomdlalo unokuthi asibuyeleni ekuthenini singobani sisukaphi. Ukuzazi kubaluleke ngani kuwena, uzazi ukuthi wena ubani usukaphi ukhule kanjani and lokho kukusiza kanjani namhlanje?
No, I don't think, I think ukufuna abantu bazazi is also my own quest with mina. I think I'm also in that process of I think uyakhula ukhule uxelelwa sometimes, right? Or wambathisha certain things, ukabazali bayo, go to church, and then there comes a time in your life when you go, okay, yazibona zonke ke ngoku,
but when
let me and I think because I was doing that, I'm still doing that for mna, and I see kind of the benefits of ungaxelelwa ngabanye abantu about wena. I see how it benefits, because I think if you're not self-aware, you can get fed a lot of things that people think you are. But if you know certain things, you can go, okay, I can do it, but today I was not. Relation is to relate with people. You can know your position. Okay, this is how I think, and sometimes you can learn what actually I don't have a position. Then you have to build it. So it's that to go. I know what when I start to which is not nice, and sometimes because that you also thought, oh no, I forgot about that one. Which then, but it's also a gift, because you are able then to step into a space and go, okay, this is what I bring.
Because kubona isikhathini esiningi abantu baphilela ukuthi bafuna ukuthandwa abantu, bafuna ukwenza izinto ezijabulisa abantu, bekhohlwa ukuthi ekugcineni kunalo muntu ongale okuyena owumqali nomqedi wempilo yakho, okuwumnikazi wempilo. So ukukhula kwakho kube nayiphi influence ekuthenini mhlambe uzugcine uyibona noma ngithi uthando lwe-art lusukaphi kuwena?
Man, I come from up on Kulokona, where my grandmother was. I think church they were church goers, and bengumuntu abenza umsebenzi, right, at the same time.
Yes.
So I love the music. Anything else, I think anything theatrical is coming from the love of music and how it gathers people. And then go mama mam wangumuntu owekwayara yasecaweni, and she would take me with, therefore ndibone ukuthi akudlalwa nje kwiconductor kwicula, and then wakwazi ustopa lo, you know what I mean? So it's not just nje people just sing. There is a team effort that is happening, and someone who has a vision, and someone who has then to articulate that vision. So ndibone pha ecaweni, going with my mom, asekwaya icanda angafuni mna even now. I don't know i-position ukuthi iyakwantombi no, I didn't know then. But I think that sometimes ezinye izinto intuitive, and they trusted the intuition. I'm not interested in that. But ndiyathanda ubukela. Just yaxakhona umfundisi. Okay. So church has that space, and then ke ngoku nemisebenzi, and just watching abantu bayatshintsha ke ngoku emisebenzini. Tamkhulu wami naye senguphepha. Hayibo. You know, just watch people grow. Ndayithanda la nto, wena usenguye. Awuphambi kwabantu
Isekuyena bese indaba yelokhozana sikhuluma ukubheka ukuthi uthando lwetheater luqhamuke kanjani, from esontweni, from umuntu ekhaya kobaba ufica kuyagqirha. Ugqirha ngithi kusokhulunywa amagqirha zangoma.
Yes.
Ugqirha ugqirha udokotela.
So ndandikhona ezintombeni, I enjoyed that space, and then I think within that era there was theater groups, but it wasn't theater groups. I think it was just people just enjoy it, and I found myself in that space of acting, but it was very kyakhalwa, that was the emphasis then. And I think then, and my sisters and I then my sister, who is 3 years older than me, we formed like a group, would sing together, would sing in which is a hall, would sing there. And so from there, from izinto zenzeka ekhaya, right, in nasecaweni, that was another location, and then obviously amagqirha, that was another location, and then being in a big, like a family with a lot of personalities, let's put it that way. Now it was interesting, and then obviously you venture up, you meet people who are interested in singing. There's also some rapper he called me endlini ngo Saturday siyaxina, and you're ikhona lo ngoma, I don't know where you're recording ngoma. So then obviously then at school, in primary school, I was involved in choir. My Utabawa, which is my father's sister, was a teacher in my primary school. So then I was part of the choir, and she was very strict. She's the kind of person, I think I got that from her, whether you're family or not. The technique is the technique. And I fucking buy my she'll go like this. So then in school, then obviously, then I was part of the people who organized maybe a group, a singing group, and then white women entered to the township looking for young girls to develop. And then they formed dance groups, and then I was part of those things, learning modern dance, doing I Step Forward's way competition, get a bronze or don't do it. My mom wasn't very keen about this, but yeah. So that's the trace if I track it. I don't know this music.
You must I
don't know. I said, something fana ketunga khali dozolunga na umlamli underneath makeup.
Wena bushaya i-hook i-chorus nje kuphela.
Kushaya i-chorus.
I-hook.
It was a Saturday morning. Then this cleaner because they got cleaner election Saturday. What quickly, what recorder, what nazi lyrics, because he's that person even now. Nazi lyrics, this is the melody. This is how, well then, I don't have to do much. I'm just going to sing, or singer, or intonton, yeah, Ambake. But I don't know where it is now. He had once said it's in the music something, but I don't know his
kumele
actors in it.
kunikeze ize ngakuwena ihlale ngakuwena manje na uzokwazi ukuqala phansi uyilungise uzoyisebenzisa kahle.
I don't know. I think it did what it did because a lot of young men they would say this was amazing. I don't know that, but I'm glad that it touched somebody.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm within the township hip hop scene.
So kwenzeka zonke lezi zinto uyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe one day kungenzeka into efana nalezo ungakwazi ukuthi ube kule zinga okulona njengamanje.
I was not unlike Temba. I was not that kind of a dreamer in that sense. I was in here, right? I think certain people they go, I want to be this, and I move on from that. There are people who plan and sit down. I think my plan was always intuitive. I was just following the things that felt good. And then I felt, and I found, like, oh, I enjoy this. And then you get distinction, like, oh, I'm good at this. And then you're encouraged to, and then you move on. Only because really it feels good. There's something about it that it feels wholesome. So then it did not, because I did sports. I was just like, oh, too much rules. Oh God. I know I can't do sports, so I'd rather do this other sport, which is then I focus on dance. Even then in higher primary, then that mixing, that having an awareness of what, okay, we're part of the majorettes. That okay, how can we create new routines, use modern dance and this and that. Then I was part of those people who, this thing of going much more amazing team. I think it was always been. I think also it's methodology as a township dibaniza asibonde
ufana nomuntu othi akaplananga ngoba isangoma uholela umoya ekuthenini la akakhona njengamanje. So i-art ubuciko busho ukuthini kuyini kuwena mangathiwa udefine nje ubuciko bubonke i-art because ngiyakuzwa ubalula ukuthi indaba yakho isuke eqala because i-performance isho yaqala esontweni ngekhathi iqala esontweni uyibheka yasitshaleka ngaphakathi kwena yakhula ithemi ikhula wasujoyina umculo ngendlela eziningi ezahlukahlukene benza nomdanso nokunye but sesibuka ke njengamanje usuya-direct uya-actor kuningi futhi okwenzayo. So i-art as iyindlu as i-shelter iyini kuwena ichaza ukuthini?
What a philosophical question. I think, let me continue with this. Even if I was Ibamba, and I think because if you're an artist, you keep questioning what is it? Because a lot of people questioning, oh, is it And I think that the one thing that always is that quiet that happens, and I don't know anything else that allows me that. I think Shonda Rhimes calls it as there's a rare air. There's that moment where you take and because I think my internal world can be quite busy now. I'm an overthinker. But if there's only one space, which is when I'm creating, and it's also not about the art, it's the thing that gathers specific people. But because the people who enjoy the art, they are actually specific people in this world. They're different human beings. And I enjoy the space of people are called artists. I enjoy what I think that movement, that abantu bahlanganisayo and irritated by something, but oh, I got it now. And that someone who sings a song and it does something, but we don't know why. But I enjoy that. So I don't wanna do the thing of art heals, art. But there's something that I think everyone has felt. There's something that when you listen to a song, it does something to you. And that thing is important for you to carry through your day. Because it's like doing a lot of appealing to survive and also the use of imagination to I said this when we were we're thinking about Turandu Tongo and we're doing a presentation in a conference. And now we're trying to go, because I think the academy, everyone is theorizing, oh, we're looking at masculinity. I was just like, there's one thing that was important for me is to gather with Abantu in South Africa, within a context where this idea of fatherlessness is a lot, right? It is roaming, you can feel it. And also as a person who's quite distant from Mutadake, but within a group of people who imagine a different world where fathers eventually meet up with their estranged children, if you want to put it like that. Yeah, but it's like saying something. Human beings need a transport, and there are people transportation, and there are people and engineers who come together. I can't
sure.
These possibilities, and I think Tina as artists Sikanda amanye amazwe that are possible, so that there is a world where father and daughter can meet. And to be part of those people who create those other worlds that sometimes now. That is again, it's the people, it's the gathering, it's the people going disagree, but I like it, but that kind of world, which I don't think you get anywhere. You can get in the boardroom, but it's very like, what you show up here. When you are doing something else here. Okay, there's a lot of war, but there's also another world here. There's something that we do that keeps people want to be here in this world. That is important.
Ukhuluma ngokuthi i-art uyindlela enamandla ngakhona ivule eminye imihlaba, ihlanganisa izinto, ihlanganisa abantu, ihlanganisa nje izinto eziningi eziphilayo nembono futhi ekuyona eyivizayo. But ucabanga ukuthi yini yenza ukuthi ama-artist since abantu umsebenzi wabo ukuthi bevula abantu imiqondo, bekhombisa abantu mhlawumbe izinto abangayiboni ngenye indlela, but uthola ukuthi bona they are suffering, bathwele kanzima, ziningi izinto abangakwazi ukuthi bephume kuzona. Yini isizathu salokho?
Fascinating. I just saw Mandla Mboto's status.
Yes.
I say the healer will always suffer first on their way to getting cleansed. So it feels for me it's inevitable, right? And I was thinking about this. What was I talking about? Oh, I was watching. What's called Love Is Blind, and this girl and this man, Amfumeneyo, his normal life is coming back from work and grabbing a beer. Now every day you come back, and to her it's like, what the fuck, this is the problem. This is alcoholism. The Chongi and the hey, even not forget like the people my community and people, maybe not girls or the and for real, and if also because art spaces are event spaces, you're organizing people and people are there, and part of how we organize sometimes comes with food and beveraging. And so if Undu was an event person and every Friday at the Hex, there's a theater show, and it's a vibe. Every time there would be, which means that would consume a lot. So there is, and then in the area, there is something about the space that you need to be aware that the space itself is an event space. An event space is there are things that are gonna be there, and sometimes there's something in you to go, not today. You know what I mean? Because that space in itself, it evokes certain things. And if you don't have that going on, and that notion ingaba available. But I think it goes with everything. If there's a buffet, you have a right to go, not today. And there's a voice that when you have to build, voice 80, not today. Because even with Mandla Mboto's situation, it does mean that part of Ugubai, the healer, right? It is to also go through now, I suppose, I don't know if I've massaged somebody, because I'm a person who I take people's energy. And I've stopped doing any massages because I take that and then so then you have to know. And sometimes again, if that self-awareness is going, if I was blind, then if you don't ask those questions, then you don't know anything about yourself, you know? So you need to know so that you can be able to.
Nesizulu siyasho sithi inyanga ayize lapho, but bayafa athi kubuye ngazuthi iyashifta from lento ebekade iyona before because muzobheka manje masobuka nje ngapha ngala kwi-acting sikakhulukazi abantu i-theatre kancane kancane bayayikhohlwa abantu njengamanje kuno-Netflix kuno-Showmax bakwazi ukuhlala endlini bebukele yonke into but i-theatre okuyiyona engicabanga ukuthi i-theatre liyikhaya lazo zonke lezi zinto lezi ey'khona zo-acting nani nani. And enye into futhi esimeshayo ukuthi kuwo wona leyo msebenzi lo wakamabonakude akusathathwa ama-actors, kuthathwa abantu abanabalandeli, abantu abanama-followers. Ibulala kangakanani i-industry nje leyo nto iyodwa because masubheka isikakhulukazi indaba ye-acting uthi uyabuthi okay unama-followers but into ayenzayo ayinganga ama-followers akhe, umsebenzi ungaphansi ama-followers angaphezulu. I-industry leyo nto ibulala kanjani noma mhlawumbe kuyayakhe thina esingazi?
I don't know if iyabulala, okay, I can't, I don't think ibulala industry per se, because you can say it's growing by the number of viewers, ne? But ibulala the value of the thing that we do. That's what it does. And the responsibility that we have to kubamba izitori zabanye abantu ngohlobo, right? And how you are holding istory somunye umuntu. And I think there are certain things esizitishwayo from a young age, this notion of khongozela, right? That when you're receiving something,
yes,
khongozela. There's a way in which you receive it. How right? The situation you're not looking, and I think there's something valuable in the embodiment of to receive, because that's what it is. You're going, okay, what is the story? Okay, and then the question, how am I gonna hold it? And then the honest question, can I hold it? What does the story need from me? I was speaking to my therapist, I was like, oh dear God, sometimes izinto zobomi ziyenzeka. Nisithi, ese story sakayema is wanting me to open a door that I've never opened publicly before. And it's because the story wants me, and I use as with lifuna ndilikhaphe with that specific part of myself. And I know now that, because I know ukuthi elacango alikavulwa, or at least publicly, right? And licango lam, and nama ngikala understand noba liqine kangakanani na, right? Because sometimes you suppress certain things, and it was to speak from the space of ukuba a daughter, right? Which is also the space of then, because to be a daughter sometimes, which what someone said, do not raise daughters to be wives. That people are not raising daughters to be women, they are raising them to be wives. So then there's something already that you don't become really when you're already thinking about.
Yeah, when
yes, right. So that space, and I always say, right? It is the space of to navigate to be a daughter of umntu omnyama obeza othi when the apartheid was happening, she was in this world, right? And to
wabana abantwana bayi-2, and a lot happened with her and the husband, or not husband, with my father, a daughter then that at 20 something lost mama wakhe, you know. So then you have to open a door that I've never had to think about. I said, oh God. So that's and then it's that responsibility and that accountability. Okay. Even when I put okay, let me, then the value of what does it mean to tell somebody's story? What does it mean to hold someone's story? And what does it need from you? And what posture do you have to be in to receive it?
Yeah, so ngiyabuza uyachaza ngochaza mhlambe indlela wena oyibuka ngayo. Ngifuna ukuza ukuthi as a director, yini inspiration umsebenzi wakho njengo director, because ngibuka emidlalo eminingi usuthi wayi-director ngaphambilini, eminye wayibala, eminye wadlala futhi nakuyona. Cabanga ukuthi uma udlala kuyona usuke ukwazi la ubeka uvuthi no abhathi lento sibe kanje. So yini esuke ikuphusha nje ngale kwemsebenzi osuke yenza?
What do you mean?
Inspiration.
The inspiration?
Yeah, because
it's the people that are in the space.
ulobuzana ngesikuphazamisa ubaba uMandla uke wathi emavikini adlule wathi kithi as a director kubalekile ukuthi ukwazi ukufunda umsebenzi wabanye director but ungakhohle ukuthi wena uzwani but ufile uzokwazi uzodirect into right so ufisa ukwazi ukuthi wena usuba utholile ngabantu uyathola igroup akangithi mhlambe uthola ama second year last year ukuthi uzosebenza nabo yini usukuyibuka kubona mhlambe usukubuka indlela aba-rector ngayo emsebenzini eniwenzayo noma usuke ubona mhlambe i-energy abanayo toward umsebenzi eniwenzayo noma ukuhlonza ukuthi okay lesi space esinaso sinomuntu kanjena so naye mhlambe esingahlanganisa?
I think all of those things. I think most of the time is like when I say who is in the space and what do you bring in the space? What do you bring in the space? What do you bring in the space? And how then can we make sure that what we learned what's this thing called when we were when it's in your bins,
yes,
when we playing pega ayo beat up like obaba rice but the point is right? And I'm also, hence I said in the first years, knowledge, if you have to think about knowledge as food, or even the knowledge is also, as theatre makers, we are knowledge makers at the same time. If you think about ukudla, would you serve a pot and what's gonna do to the person who's gonna have to eat it? And if you think about that way, then you can't be in the cylinder. If you receive plate, those simple things that you go back to the values of as a basic principle, we have to eat. We have to be nourished. If we are nourished, we have to be nourished. What ingredients do we have here in the space? And then secondly, it's a selfish act that at some point I'm not wanting to. My daughter taught me this. But at 18, I'm gonna be a dancer. At 22, I'm gonna go to Dubai. At 26, we don't have this concept that you can live different. You can change your mind as a person because of this idea of career. You become a lecturer and you become a lecturer. Right? And so I'm starting to rethink. No, I want to be a watcher of theatre. And I want to be able to go, there's a show happening. Where? At the Playhouse. Who's directing it? Mabuto. Let's go. Have you not? And I'm excited about it. As a theatre watcher, I'm not just a theatre performer. I also want to be able to watch good theatre. Do you enjoy it? So that's why sometimes when I'm teaching, I'm like, nigga, in 20 years time, when I'm no longer here, I need to be able to see a show. Full stop.
Wow, this one and this one.
In South Africa? Lord, give me a second. I always forget when I have to answer this question. There are people, people are about to say theatre, most people. I like Tato, I don't know how to say his name, Bata or Ego, I forgot his name, Tato. She's a visual artist. And she does like this collage or uses different newspapers or books from back there, and then he just repositions how they are and what it creates is something out of this world. So I like the thinking there in his work. I like the writer Ujuli Ngadi. I think Unfundi say how it is we can start seeing or writing our stories from our own perspective. This idea that who is this character from? If you talk about Makulu as a township, that we don't see only one type of Makulu as a township, that each person has their version of, and how do we start writing from characters that we don't usually see? She taught me that usually. Push, who is my friend, and I met her in first year at Rhodes. The detail that she has in how she thinks, when Nikki knows what, the eye that she has and the care that she wants, infundisile. Even in her own works, she did the show for her masters. It was called A Woman in the Corridor. And it was just a simple thing. We're sitting in a corridor. The corridor as audience members, we are waiting. She comes in and this woman is carrying a lot of envelopes. And we find out they are CVs. And what happens is that we recognize there are doors, ne? Afake phansi kwecango ilento uyasibulisa mulweni hayi nami ngize lapha kule line size audience say okay we in a line hayi nami ngizofaka iCV zami afake iCV ngaphakathi ziphume athi xa ehamba ziphume aphinda abuye ahleka but she's playing with the kind of dignity and humiliation of abantu bamnyama, and that even though I need to put us in a hopeful.
Yeah.
So even though Yambona she's humiliated, but she's keeping that. Yes, and how she played that. The first door Yabuisha, the second door she comes in, she comes back disheveled, and then you go, the third door, and I also with her. Now my mom was a domestic worker. Now when they once and you watch how your mother is in front of white people and yes, and you don't know my mom dignity, and she played with that notion very like Umtu is going through a lot, but she's going
It's a
yeah, but also how it lingers, that mastery. Oh damn. And that simplicity of that, it can be just in the laugh and the smile. Doesn't have to have a text like, oh, now I am being glorified. You know? She was playing with the emotion. I was like, oh, that's lovely. I enjoy that. And Mandla Mbotelwa taught us how to be, to think through our own mediums. And how he insists on impepo ituwa. She calls them the what is it? The F something. What is that thing called? The air, fire, what, water, elements. And then Obuka was like, oh, okay, I'm enjoying this. I'm anyway too. Because I'm that person. I learn from a lot of people. But I don't have that language. This was the best.
Yeah,
people, and a lot of people, even from people's bad shows. You learn what to not do.
That's it.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, because abantu bahlazi besifunda into ezikhethela but ke singabantu sifunda ngendlela ngifuna ukuza la etabeni kuno I think ngizothi iqhawe because umuntu nje abantu abaningi kwi-industry especially kwa-acting abantu ukukhuluma ngayo uBlack Gibbs mucabanga ingana nendima ayidlalile kwi-theatre nje South Africa ngasikho kwi-theatre kuphela but kwi-acting nje industry yasemzansi nje amandla akhe angakanani and uma ekhona why was no recognized?
Well, again, education did not give me that information. It gave me the name, because I think that's what they do. But then again, they don't know then how to speak about the work. And I think this generation is starting to develop ways in which we can start recording and writing about the tools or the methods of Black artists. Right, so that one day we are studying serious method of acting. Yeah, because there wasn't someone who's recorded. So you get a name, and then you also get show, like we watch a show called The Money Makers. Push loves it, which is about prostitution and whatnot. It's come from Johannesburg, and Johannesburg actors have that kind of like aesthetic. Every time someone goes, I am going home. Yes. So that kind of emphasis. I denying but it was written it was written though not by him, but by someone some white man who probably got the rights to access it. And sometimes I'm a person, I think I got it a few years ago, but I haven't gone and shine. It's weird. I was not intellectually. Sorry to the white man. So I don't know. but the emphasizing of words of people, you know, having to. Yes, and you have to be expressive and da da da. Yes, I think that. How does it add? I don't know. I think when I've watched it, I've always felt like, yo. I felt, yes, but maybe it was needed that time to emphasize yourself, you know. Maybe it was a context thing that was missed, and especially now you're utilizing a language that you also don't know, so the kind of emphasize that I can speak the English, and I'm here and I am present. I suppose if you live in a world that does not want you to be present, which is the world that the context in which he lived, right? Some certain things show up in the ways that there was a trend at Rhodes, because Rhodes is very white. And then after the Rhodes so white, fees must fall, there was a trend in the dropout department that started happening, that you see black students now starting to unwhite themselves, I suppose. And every time someone would go and present their show, they would, hello, my name is Nomcabisi Muhikwa. Okay. But you got it, because now people are wanting to be heard as, you know, I am black and I'm gonna say, you know, Zulu people and how they introduce themselves. Now all of a sudden, you know, people are busy talking, which was never a thing really before. People go, hello, my name is Sidrule. Now I think people are re-emphasizing, and part of the ways they re-emphasize is through their names. Yes. Yeah, but again, walk and send it again. I see what you're performing. Do you have to? Does it not tire you? It must be tiring, I'm sure.
Yeah, but we see practitioners patient. Kusikhohlwa ngokuthi nathi sinabo abantu abenze ukuthi mhlawumbe theater ibe recognized noma bayithula ngendlela bayithula ngayo South Africa, because muzobheka unokusho ukuthi thina i-arts sikhule ngaphansi kwayo noma i-theater sikhule ngaphansi kwayo emakhaya xoxe inganekwane, sometimes kuyasina kuyacula kuhlale kube njalo, but yini singafundiswa ngalezo zinto, yini singafuna ukwakha eyethu thina sithi okay lena siyithatha siyibeke ebalazweni, why sifuna ukusebenzisa lesikhona?
Because it's a con. No, I'm joking. No, I think it depends on where you are in the institution. Like if you're in a university, then there's a certain curriculum that looks a specific way, né? And usually then in narration, or where theater began, it usually starts from a specific place, the Europeans. But obviously, there's a course that Ongezo does on that side, where she begins from the Greeks. And then to start, and where does this formation of theatre started from, and so there are people right now, the scholars right now, who are opening up there, and then how to put it as part of the curriculum. I mean, underneath, you know, because yes, especially I don't know how shifts. Because you couldn't share it in a specific way, the students are going to be learning about identity politics. The how I do that would be different, right? From a point of who am I, you know, where I come from. So it's the how sometimes, and you have to put it within the cracks of the system. You know, as you find a way of putting them in the curriculum, in the practice.
Sesiya ngasekugcineni nje ngifuna ukubheka yini ifike iqala kuwena director no lecture.
Director no, well, I don't even I can call myself a director as yet. No, I think in performance I call you I'm a director. In a performance, I think, I mean, because I was trained, I did my honors and my masters. And from undergrad, you're trained to make something within the group context. And then I think for us in first year, the second year we did duets, and then you learn to work two, and third year you start to ask the question, then how do you then create? And now I was the dance scholar or the choreographer then, which is what they've seen is that we only work with movement, there's nothing else. And then obviously from the beginning, I've always infused that. Even now, I am talking, I am moving at the same time. So I've always had that relation. There's a relationship between movement and intertwine. I could not separate them. So from then, I've always then, because sometimes people think of a director when it's something that is acted. Ne? And for me, then I'm going, yes, people will be people with text. Yes, there will be movement. So this idea of a choreographer director was like almost infused. Although I did not take directing classes in a way. So then I started creating from my honors, and then even then I started applying for festivals to do shows. So then the fact that I was within the academy, I also wanted to interact with the industry while I was in the academy. So that's how I did it. I was a student, but I was producing shows at the same time. Even now, I'm a lecturer, and I'm producing shows at the same time. So I've never separated the two. And coming from a family of healers and teachers and preachers, my preaching or my healing space might not look like a Isibaya or a Buddha, or like my dad being in a church, or like my aunts being in a school context. I share it in that space, whether or not I'm teaching or not teaching. I don't know. It's a collaborative effort. I don't know much.
Yeah.
But I think I can know much if I collaborate with the people that are in the space. And that mindset helps me to remove myself of I am the knower. Yeah. You know? And then I can be able to learn and grow. And I've grown a lot from interacting with students.
Especially so t-shirt. Kunja, yaphileka. Izinto zihamba kahle.
What do you mean?
Wamkeleke ngendlela obucasuzwa ngamkeleka ngayo izinto zihamba kahle yonke into.
What do you mean? Ubuza umbuzo kodwa ubuza umbuzo.
No, ngibuza umbuzo othi iphethe kanjani i-t-shirt? Uphethe kanjani?
The act of it okanye
uyabona ukuba nje space sokuthishela la kusuka kubafundi kuze kuyofika kuma colleagues space sebenzisana nabantu kahle kahle.
Usebenzisana nabantu, that's what it is. It's interpersonal skills, and you will meet different people in different places, even within the student body. And I think now I've come to terms that in the beginning, Izojonga isn't the fuck. Ne? And it was hard for me, especially from the student body. It was hard because, you know, sometimes you mean a lot. You mean well, you know, and I think because I was pushing from, especially you as a student, here it's not a lack of talent, it's a lack of wanting to put that talent within a ground or soil that's going to grow it.
Sitamaningi sakeni siyabonga ngoba mfowethu lapho ngemuva sesikhunga University Podcast sithande usilandele ungakhohlwa futhi ukuthanda nekhasi le subscribe igama lami ngusiphamandla uphawu umabutho kamgilitsha umfana kwamhleke khakhe senkundusi matuba enkundisi isigodi siphethe kamoyika namhlanje simlande phansi ke lena kwaXhosa sithi siyabonga kakhulu sidle amaningi sakeni danke bhuti.